learn phrasal verbs.
Trip over. Tropeçar em algo enquanto anda. Tropeçar nas palavras. Ficar preocupado ou confuso. Ficar preso a uma situação ou condição.
Listen.
I tripped over a loose cable in the office and nearly fell in front of everyone. She tripped over a toy that was left in the hallway during the night. We tripped over some rocks while hiking through the forest after heavy rain. The runner tripped over a barrier and lost valuable seconds during the race. He tripped over the dog while carrying several boxes into the garage. I tripped over an old tree root hidden beneath the tall grass nearby. She tripped over a broken branch while exploring the trail with friends. The child tripped over a backpack that someone had dropped near the entrance. They tripped over construction materials while walking through the unfinished building carefully. We tripped over several obstacles because the area was poorly illuminated at night. He tripped over his own assumptions and missed an important detail completely. Many students trip over grammar rules when they begin learning advanced English. She tripped over a simple mistake that could have been avoided easily. The project tripped over unexpected legal issues before reaching the final stage. They tripped over technical difficulties that delayed the product launch significantly. Don't trip over small details when making an important decision for your future. She keeps tripping over what other people think about her choices. He tripped over a minor comment and worried about it for days afterward. Many people trip over insignificant problems instead of focusing on bigger goals. Try not to trip over every little mistake because everyone learns through practice.
Let's learn
English
phrasal
idioms.
verbs.
Idioms.
These are sentences or expressions whose meaning cannot be understood just by the literal translation of the words. In other words, when you translate word by word, the meaning sounds strange or incorrect because the real meaning is figurative and based on cultural context.
Listen.
It's better to be safe than sorry when making important decisions in life. As a rule, our company usually provides customers with a small discount. He gets burned up whenever people mention his daughter's difficult divorce. She repeated the same explanation until she was blue in the face. After the long journey, he felt completely washed out and needed rest. My curiosity got the better of me when I opened the mysterious package. He goes out of his way to help everyone in his neighborhood. You can count on him because he always keeps his promises. My heart bleeds for people who suffer during difficult situations. Many soldiers bit the dust during that terrible historical war. In retrospect, I should have prepared more before taking that important test. Why are you always picking at me whenever I make small mistakes? Come off it, you cannot seriously believe that unbelievable story. In fact, he works as a manager in this large international company. She decided to lead the way and show everyone the correct direction. If I were you, I would go for it and accept that opportunity. He knows which way the wind blows and changes his actions accordingly. He finally broke with the past and started a completely new life. She cleaned the entire house by hook or by crook before the guests arrived. I searched high and low for my missing keys yesterday afternoon. Bring an umbrella, just in case the weather changes unexpectedly today. The final decision came down to choosing between two difficult options.
Let's learn American
English
slangs.
idioms.
Slangs.
Are informal words and expressions that people use in casual conversations instead of more formal English. They are common among friends, family members, co-workers, and on social media, but they are usually not used in formal writing or professional situations.
Listen.
She became a legend in her community after helping many people during difficult times. The young athlete was considered a future legend because of his amazing skills. The new game looks absolutely fire and everyone wants to play it today. That concert was so lit because the crowd was excited and dancing all night. His new jacket is really fresh and matches his unique personal style perfectly. The movie was epic and created unforgettable moments for all viewers. She stayed cool during the emergency and solved the situation calmly. The new design is clean and gives the product a modern appearance. That skateboard trick was crazy and surprised everyone watching the competition. He is a GOAT in basketball because his achievements changed the entire sport. The team played solid throughout the season and achieved great results together. The rookie learned quickly and improved his performance after several training sessions. Her new song is dope and many fans are sharing it online everywhere. The challenge was wild because nobody expected such an unusual situation. That idea sounds bananas, but it could actually become successful someday. He is a hustler who works hard every day to reach his goals. The team was savage during the match and showed incredible determination. Your performance was tight and everyone enjoyed watching your presentation today. The new song is sick and has a powerful rhythm that attracts listeners. She has a sweet personality and always treats everyone with kindness. The plan sounds nuts, but maybe it can work with proper preparation. The idea is hard, but we can finish it with enough effort together. He looked fly wearing those clothes at the special event yesterday. This new phone is cool because it has many useful features. The situation became chill after everyone started communicating calmly again. That explanation was solid and helped everyone understand the difficult topic. He became a famous kiddo who inspired many people around him. The player was a savage competitor who never gave up during games.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Let's learn
American
connected
slangs.
speech.
Connected speech is the way native speakers naturally join, shorten, blend, or change sounds when speaking English fluently. Instead of pronouncing every word separately and clearly, words flow together to make speech faster and smoother.
Listen.
I want to buy a new computer for my personal projects and studies. They want to learn Spanish because they plan to travel abroad soon. We're gonna have a party tonight with many friends from school. It's gonna rain later, so we should take umbrellas before leaving. You gotta see this movie because the story is very interesting. I gotta get some sleep after working all day at home. We have to make a decision soon about the important project. I have to clean my room today before my family visits me. She asked to leave before 6 because her train arrives early. The machine asked to be repaired before workers can use it again. Let me explain what happened during the meeting yesterday afternoon. Let me help you with that difficult task you are doing now. Give me a glass of water because I am really thirsty now. Give me a chance to explain my ideas before making a final decision. I'm kinda nervous about the test because it is very challenging. The room is kinda small, but it is comfortable for everyone. I sorta agree with you about the changes we discussed yesterday. She sorta laughed at the joke because it sounded funny to her. Hold on a second, because I'll be right back after this call. Hold on while I check the address carefully on my phone. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel.